Police Department would like to remind you to keep within your safe sight and to stay aware of your surroundings.
The next stop
If you
is
see something
Rockaway
suspicious
Boulevard.
at the station or on the train, tell the police officer or an MTA employee.
The New York City Police Department would like to remind you to keep your belongings in sight and to stay aware of your surroundings. If you see something suspicious at the station or on the train, tell a police officer or an MTA employee.
Attention passengers, report to 7th Street bound A train to Arbor Lane because the train's emergency.